In this video, I will show how to enable SSH access. On a Cloudways application, I am loading to Cloudways. Click on the application you want to enable SSH access. On the application page under the access details, you can find the SFTP SSH login details. Click on SSH SFTP. Let's try login with the SSH. The command is SSH the username. Copy the username and the rate IP address presenter. Let's copy the password. Copy the password and paste it. The assistance caution is failed. The shell access is disabled. Connection to IP is closed. To enable the assistance access, go back to Cloudways, click on Application Settings. Scroll down here, you can see SSH access. Click on the toggle to enable the SSH access. It will ask for confirmation. Click on the button. Confirm the SSH access is getting activated. The SSH access is enabled. Now, let's see if SSH access works. A parter to go to the previous command. Press enter, paste the password. Press enter. We are loading to the Cloudways server using a SSH. Thank you for watching.